He's coming.
You need to follow him.
I need to follow him? Hold on, I will after he comes around this time.
But you need to like... Here he comes. Micah and his red Corvette.
Yay!
He's having the NASCAR race.
That's so funny. Keep your eyes on the road, man. Keep your eyes on the road.
No drinking and driving.
Oh man, you're going fast. This is so exciting. Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Stay like over there so you can see.
Him coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can record and finish the video. I think it's
Here he comes.
Car, like,
Here it comes.
like you get the brand of the car.
Oh, okay, I'll get the brand of the car. That's the brand of the car. Oops, I almost spilled my coffee. Say cheese!
Done.
Okay, bye.